Hi everyone, welcome back to Freshly Smooth. Today we are making tropical smoothie that looks like a dessert and tastes like one. So let's begin. Into my blender I'm adding 1 cup of frozen bananas, 1 cup of frozen mangoes, half a cup of fresh strawberries, 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts, and 1 cup of plant-based yogurt. I'm using coconut yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. This step is completely optional. Feel free to skip it. To boost the smoothie with antioxidants and extra energy, I'm adding half a teaspoon of green matcha, half a teaspoon of blue spirulina, and 2 teaspoons of pink pitaya powder. You can serve the smoothie with the whipped cream and strawberries on top, or enjoy it as is. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy!